To use test money effectively, start by understanding its purpose, which is to simulate real money in a controlled environment, allowing you to test and refine your financial skills without risking actual capital. First, obtain test money, which can be found in various forms such as play money, sample bills, or digital test funds. This can be acquired through educational institutions, financial websites, or mobile applications designed for financial literacy and testing. Next, set clear financial goals for what you want to achieve with the test money. This could range from practicing budgeting and saving to testing investment strategies. Having a defined objective helps in making the most out of the test money experience. Now, allocate the test money into different categories based on your goals. For example, if you are practicing budgeting, you might divide the money into sections for housing, food, entertainment, and savings. This step mimics real-life financial management and helps in understanding how to prioritize expenses. After allocation, simulate real-life transactions using the test money. This can involve making purchases, paying bills, or investing in mock portfolios. The key is to treat the test money as if it were real, making decisions based on financial principles and observing the outcomes. As you continue to use the test money, monitor your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. This is a critical step as it allows you to learn from mistakes and successes without incurring actual financial losses. Best practices include starting with small amounts of test money and gradually increasing the sum as your financial acumen grows. It is also important to diversify your financial activities to get a well-rounded understanding of personal finance. Finally, reflect on your experience with test money. Analyze what worked well and what didn't, and apply these insights to your real financial decisions. This reflective practice enhances financial literacy and readiness for managing actual money. By following these steps and maintaining a disciplined approach, using test money can be a highly effective way to hone your financial skills and build confidence in your ability to manage money wisely.